Welcome to Traveling Kangaroo. If you love wide-open landscapes, secret salt mines, and mighty medieval fortresses, and you want practical tips that make your trip smooth and unforgettable, you've hopped into the right pouch. Today, I'll guide you through everything you need to know before you go to Romania: visas, language, getting around, money-saving tips, must-see highlights, and a few local tricks to help you bounce around like a true traveling kangaroo. Let's kick off with a fast fact that surprises many travelers. Romania is the 12th largest country in Europe. That means distances matter. Don't treat it like a small postcard nation. Plan your route so you're not spending half your trip on the road. Think of Romania as a landscape of contrasts. Buzzing cities, tranquil countryside, towering forts, and hidden salt caverns waiting to be discovered. Visas first, because you want that hop across the border to be stress-free. Most European Union citizens don't need a visa. If you're coming from the United States, Canada, or Australia, you can visit Romania for short tourist stays without a visa. But double-check current rules before you travel. Rules can change, and the last thing you want is a surprise at the border. Now tuck that tip into your travel pouch. Language. Romanian is the national language. It's a Romance language, so if you know French, Italian, or Spanish, some words will feel familiar. In tourist hotspots, you'll easily find English-speaking guides and hotel staff. Out in the villages, fewer people speak English, and that's where a few friendly Romanian phrases will be your best hopping companion. Learn hello, bună, and thank you, mulțumesc. Locals appreciate the effort, and you'll get warmer smiles than a kangaroo on a sunny day. Getting around Romania, you've got options. An extensive network of trains, buses, and minibuses connects major cities and many towns. Trains are comfortable for longer hops, but during summer, the busy season, book in advance. I'll leave train booking websites in the video description to save you time. City life is easy. Taxis are cheap and convenient. Always ask for the meter or use a reputable app-based taxi service when available. If a driver refuses the meter, hop out politely and call another taxi. Don't get stuck with an inflated fare. For exploring remote landscapes and winding mountain roads, renting a car is golden. Roads are generally well maintained, rental prices are low, and a car gives you freedom to chase sunrise views or abandon the tourist trail and find that secret fortress tucked high on a ridge. Now let's talk budget, a favorite topic for savvy travelers and digital nomads alike. Romania is one of Europe's most affordable destinations. With a budget-conscious approach, you can comfortably manage accommodations, meals, and activities on roughly $70 a day, or even less. Hostels, modest private rooms, local markets, and hearty Romanian cuisine all help stretch your travel dollars further. Think of it like kangaroo economies, efficient and spacious. If you're a digital nomad pondering a new base, Romania definitely deserves a place on your shortlist. The country ranks among the fastest in the world for internet speeds, which, honestly, makes remote work a breeze. Cities like Bucharest, Cluj-Napoca, and Timișoara offer co-working spaces, good coffee, and really lively expat scenes. Affordable cost of living plus fast internet equals, well, a super attractive equation for long-term stays. Okay, time to highlight the must-see sites. You know, the stuff you'll brag about to friends back home while clutching a postcard. First up, Bucharest. Romania's capital mixes elegant old architecture, wide boulevards, and a vibrant nightlife. Don't miss the Palace of the Parliament. It's actually one of the largest administrative buildings on Earth. And be sure to stroll through the charming old town for cafes and street life. Next, Transylvania. Think medieval fortresses, cobblestone streets, and dramatic hilltop castles. Bran Castle is famous for its Dracula legends, and while it can be touristy, it's worth visiting for the atmosphere. Also explore Brasov, a lovely town surrounded by mountains perfect for wandering and local eats. Maramureș and Bucovina. Come for wooden churches, colorful traditions, and slow-paced countryside life. This is where Romania's rural soul shows itself. Ancient crafts, traditional gates, and landscapes that feel frozen in time. Salt mines. Romania's salt mines are truly otherworldly. Places like Salt Mine combine geology with history, huge underground chambers, light installations, and even an underground Ferris wheel in some sites. These are unforgettable, slightly surreal experiences. The Carpathian Mountains, perfect for hikers, wildlife lovers, and photographers. If you're lucky, you might spot brown bears in protected areas. Always observe wildlife responsibly and use local guides for safe excursions. Thanks for hopping along with Traveling Kangaroo today. If you found these tips helpful, please subscribe to Traveling Kangaroo, follow us on social media, and visit our website at travelingkangaroo.com for detailed itineraries, booking links, and packing lists. Share your Romania questions or favorite travel moments in the comments. I love hearing from fellow travel kangaroos. Safe travels, and see you next time when we hop off to another magical destination. Don't forget to subscribe to Traveling Kangaroo. Happy exploring!